And the race is on. The goes to King. Daddy's favorite. Down on the inside. Tricky Charlie's sexy chick from the outside rushing up. I want justice. China's gold. Down on the inside is Lady Colonel Power Gear and the Goose Charm. Inside the last 650, the Goose to King. I want justice from the outside. Daddy's favorite down in third. Sexy chick rushing up. Lady Colonel Power Gear. China's gold. Tricky Charlie's. And nearing the last 450, Daddy's favorites now the leader. And running second, I want Justice Dugus to King. Sexy chick, Lady Colonel. As they race the last 250, Daddy's favorite by a length and a half. I want Justice from the outside, Dugus to King. Daddy's favorite, I want Justice, moves up to take the lead. It's now, I want Justice. And finally, I want justice. That is favorite. Douglas to King, China's Gold, Sexy Chick, Lady Colonel, Tixie Charlize, Douglas Charm, and Power Gear.